Hey friends, I'm Dana from Our Dandy Life, and I did grocery shopping today. We are a family of 6, so I try and keep our weekly grocery budget to about $115, $120. So today I went grocery shopping, so I wanted to do a grocery haul for you guys. Pause the video and tell me what you think I spent, and then I'll tell you at the end. Okay, I'll turn you around. Okay, so I bought 5 dozen eggs, this roasted garlic hummus, some raspberries. There we go, you can actually see. A big thing of blueberries, 2 strawberries, about a pound and a half of green beans, sour cream, 4 packages of sliced cheese because they were, I want to say $1.50, and so my buy price for 8 ounces of cheese is $2 or under. I also got 2 things of butter because they were also $1.50, and I try and buy butter when it's $2 or under. Some mandarin oranges, hopefully they're yummy. And then this 5-pound bag of potatoes was 79 cents. I got some green onions, some cilantro. Let's see. Asparagus was 79 cents a pound. And then I got Quaker cereal, 2 oatmeals, and then 2 oatmeal squares because they were $1.99 a pound. No, not a pound, just a box. And if cereal's $2 or under, I buy it. And then, so I could get 4. And I got 3 bell peppers, 2 of these sausages because they were $4 each. And I like to keep these in the freezer for like a quick dinner because they're already cooked. Okay, I got 3 olives because they were on sale as well. Tostadas shells because that's on the menu. This sounded really yummy. It's a salad dressing. And then these were on clearance for $1.29, I want to say. And this is a really good brand of cereal. So I got 2 Cocoa Crispy Rice things, and then 2 of the Cocoa Crunch balls. I got a reduced, it was 99 cents, garlic bread. I'll just throw this in the freezer for when I need a quick bread. And then applesauce for snacks. Then I got some frozen veggies. So just broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, peas and carrots, and then Brussels sprouts. I'm going to roast the Brussels sprouts with the broccoli and cauliflower for lunches this week. That sounds really yummy. We really like this salsa, fire roasted tomato. And then I got a can of mandarin oranges and a can of pineapple slices. Pause the video right now and take your guess of how much we spent. The total was $117.53. The menu this week is broccoli beef with rice, tostadas, Hawaiian Haystacks. Sorry, my dog's barking outside. What else? So there's prime rib roast because we didn't eat that for Easter yesterday, with mashed potatoes and asparagus. We have Philly cheesesteak and think that's it. Okay.